What's up, wonders of London? What's up, YouTube? And what's up to this great elephant in front of me? Welcome, I'm your tour guide, Rob. We generally explore history and culture and film bits of London. Well, I mean, there's an awful lot of history, but today I'm out exploring in a very sunny Green Park, which looks rather beautiful with these shaded trees. And there's a new conservation effort in partnership with Coexistence and the Elephant Family, and they have brought these huge wooden elephants here to have a look and join us in Green Park. So I thought I'd show you a little bit of that today, and as we can wander through some of these guys here, there's an extraordinary amount of detail on these elephants, and you can wander right through them as well, so it's pretty fun. Seems to be a bit of a spider web on that one. We are in Green Park today. If you wanted to get to Green Park, maybe you could see these guys this summer. It is summer July 2021 here in London. Lockdown restrictions are easing up, so you could come and see them. The closest station would be Green Park on the Piccadilly line or Victoria. And they come in an array of various shapes and sizes, and yeah, they can go sort of right on up to them. It really is a gorgeous day here in Green Park, and this is always one of our favourite parks here at Wonders of London, so it's an absolute pleasure to share it with these guys today. And once again, this is a conservation effort in order to bring awareness just to people, these animals and how they exist within the environment, and probably what we could be doing more to help them. And that's in partnership with Coexistence and the Elephant Family. So please look them up and give them some sort of love and support. And as for us at Wonders of London, there's plenty more content that you can keep up to date with us. And you can follow us on our Facebook, and we're even on TikTok. These guys aren't just in Green Park. I've seen them in a few various areas around the city. And I might just be able to give you an idea of how long it goes on for. Look, it's quite a spectacle. And they do have an information board just on the other side. We can have a bit of read of what's going on. As you can see, it's a wonderful resting place for a dog. Might just duck under here. And they seem to stretch all the way down to Buckingham Palace. Guys, I'd like to thank you for watching this Wonders of London video. You can stay up to date by giving us a like and a subscribe, and we'll see you a little bit later.